Welcome back to the channel, YouTube family. We are here on another fabulous Sunday. We're going to go over a few stocks that are going to be in play this week that we want to keep our eye on. I hope you had a great weekend, and I hope you're also enjoying this Halloween. But tomorrow is time to get back to business and make some money. So let's check out a few stocks. Okay, guys, our first stock of the week that we want to watch is Facebook. Now, we did have a lot of volume on Facebook last week, as you can see here. And we also had the channel forming, and it looked like it tried to go down, and it touched 310, 308, and right now the VWAP on the daily is right around 313. We do remember the last time we were actually looking at it up here at this level here, and then it did make the pullback down to the 362 level. And that's when that news came out. This was actually right around here when it lost this level here. And we finally came down, and for the past few days, it's been a little bit more than a few days, but they've kind of consolidated. And it looked like that they had found a floor for several days right around 325. They would dip down maybe here we had 320, but it kept going back up. And as you can see, it closed at 323 on Friday. The reason we want to keep an eye on this is it looks like that it has found its floor. Facebook they've been having a lot of volume, as you can see here. They've really been volatile for the past week and even the past few weeks. You can see here in August and September, their volume was kind of light. We had this flat line going across through here, and then ever since mid-September through October, we've had this really a big uptick in volume. So Facebook this week, we're going to look for a continuation of, really right now, I probably wouldn't go short on Facebook unless, again, there's some kind of news or catalyst. That can always happen at the drop of a hat. But what we're going to look at right now is some consolidation and maybe a move back above 325. I would keep the 313 to 308 area as your floor if you are looking to go short on Facebook, and may look for the ad there. Next, we're going to go look at some EV sector stocks and see what they're going to do this week. Okay, everybody, here we are on NIO. The reason I'm watching NIO, and I spoke incorrectly earlier, I said Z, it was actually Lee. I was getting confused with all the different tickers and the actual name of the companies. NIO, LI, and XPEV are the ones that are going to be doing delivery reports this week. So I was going to go over NIO real quick because this is the one that normally has the most volatility and is day traded the most out of those three stocks. Having said that, XPEV and also LI Lee can also be traded. I've seen them pop up on the gappers every now and then, but just not as much as NIO, and they just tend to not have as much volatility throughout the day. Now, NIO has consolidated the past week. Now, it did go up and down a few dollars, give me some day trading opportunities, and I normally like to keep my eye on NIO, but honestly, I did not day trade NIO at all this week. It just didn't give me the moves that I really wanted. Right here, we have a consolidation area of right around, let's see, I drew the box a little bit too large. This is the box that we want to keep an eye on. It's about $41.50, and we closed at $39.50. So we have about a $2 average range that's going on right here. And previously, before NIO gapped up about a week and a half ago, we had another consolidation range of about $3. So one thing you can see, and it's very apparent when you start looking at the daily on NIO, is that they have a lot of consolidation periods before they make moves one way or another. Here we have this. This is an anomaly, what you see here back in July, where NIO actually ran up several days and then gave back several days. I mean, we had a lot of volume those days. But for the most part, NIO likes to consolidate for several days, even more than a week, before they'll make their big move one way or the other. So that's what we're going to keep an eye on. We are in the middle of that consolidation. One of the things to also remember is these companies tend to move a lot when they do delivery reports. It is a good catalyst. Whether it be good or bad, deliveries always move a stock when it comes to the automotive companies, especially these smaller ones that already have volatility built into them, because they get day traded so much, and also bought up by the retail guys. So, I'm not going to put a price on NIO right now because honestly, I haven't really looked into what their expectations are on their deliveries. I have been keeping up with them as I day trade to look for catalysts. And I have seen that they've had good delivery, so I could only expect good news to come out this week on NIO. So what I would like to look for is a pop back above the 200. Right now, the 200 on the daily is at 42.5, which is, we're sitting right here on the daily. So if we can get some bullish movement tomorrow, that would be really good to, basically put my mind at ease and say, okay, it's time to go long on NIO again. We did have something that looked like it was trying to form a bull flag. And again, right here, you can see this actually kissed right off the 200 last week, right at 42.5. So we want to see it break 42.5, and then maybe we can get some more of that bullish momentum. Either way, NIO is always available to short. So this is definitely going to be on my playlist for this week. Thanks, and as always, you guys, I hope you stay green in the market, and always just take a look at some of the videos to check out some of the levels and possible strategies. Take care.